think the other camera can see it. Let's see. So we went for the landscape version. I didn't like the other way that the images were in the book. Oh yeah, it's got a nice feel to it. It's kind of a semi-sheen, which is what we were looking for. And we just kind of went for the stapled. The stapled binding. That seems to be alright. That's the cover, which feels kind of, it's got like a felty type finish to it. I can't remember what it is I asked for, but it does feel really nice. So inside, first page, you've got like social media icons and my Instagram tag and just a little bit about me, real basic about me really, and the project. This page, I've kind of mixed all the pages up, so you've got some full screen, some not, some half, just to keep the interest flowing, if you like. That's too bright. And then we go to this page. See those two ladies there? I really enjoyed doing this project, and I constantly do it if I see anybody pointing in the street. I mean, gesturing in the street is a big thing with street photography, as you know. But I just chose pointing, and everyone seems to do it in a different way. It's really, really odd. You think pointing, everyone point, but I think it's people's body language when they do it, kind of thing. So you've got a blank image here, and this one here. The light's coming in through the window now, it's making it a bit. And I did that when I did my coastal photography, like street along the coast. Just trying to prove you don't really need to be all in a busy metropolis all the time. As long as there's people, there's street photography. That's what I think anyway. Anyway, next page, we've got this one. That sun really is annoying me. I might have to move in a minute. And then we come on to this one. This is more of like an aggressive. I'm not really sure what was going on there, but I managed to capture that just as I walked past. Next one, blank, and then we got this guy. That's a full page. And then we have, I've got a little bit of writing on there. You need good eyesight, it's quite small. Maybe I could have done it slightly bigger than that. It is readable, no problem. I mean, I wear glasses for reading anyway, so what do I know, eh? This one, like a blank, and then him on the end there. Another blank page, and this one of my favourites. I have to say that the print work in this is really, really good. I really do like it. And we've got blank page, and this one, I did a video talking about this particular shot. Captured that guy pointing there, I see him, and I thought, right, and I just sort of crouched down to get in position, and I had a quite wide angle lens on, I think. I can't remember what it was now. And then these ladies walked past while I'm solely focusing on him. There was nobody in this area, and then she starts pointing as well. Two for the price of one. So yeah, really like that shot. Now, obviously, something like that happens. Now you want 3. Try and get 3 people in one shot pointing. That would be good. This was another time when I went down the coast. And this is Great Yarmouth. And I believe, as I can see this little shot of this old car, they every now, I think it probably was a Sunday, because on Sundays in the summer, outside the diner, they have some classic cars turn up. So I quite like that one. This one, I like this one, all the steam. That was at the Sheringham train station. They have a bit of a 40s weekend there. I also did a video on that, you can check that out. Yeah, everyone's dressed up so you can get some good shots. Didn't ask anybody to pose for anything, they're all candid. And there's another one in here somewhere. I think it's in this book, it might not be actually, it might have been in the previous one. This one, and that's a kind of odd stance, kind of like that. I think everybody's body position, it just says something about them. You know, to me that says, look, this is what you were after, or this is what you were looking for. Just that's what I read into that particular pose. I have a thought on all of them, but really, you know, you look at them, it's for you to make your own minds up. This guy, you know, he's got his own way of doing things. Look, there you go. See, everybody has their own way of doing it. Like I said, it's a great project. You know, you want to do it, it's fine. You know, everyone. I don't think anyone's done a project in street photography that someone hasn't probably done before. I saw this woman at a bus stop, and I think a bus was incoming, so she was looking down the road at the bus. She knew the number she was after. This guy, I liked him. I have cropped into this one. I could have done a full image on this side. I could have done that, something like that. Maybe I'll do something like that next time. But I could have put full on that side. But I quite like that because the crop goes across. I have no problem with cropping images to get the composition you want, or to make the composition. You know, I like the composition before. I think that's quite a strong picture, filling the frame with that guy there. And yeah, so I don't have a problem doing things like that. And I know some big time photographers in the past have done it. You only have to look at the contact sheets to see that. This was at the Steam weekend as well. It's a nice image. Got him pointing, coming out through the steam. That is a nice image. It probably got quite nice, bigger. And then we've got a double. I've got to put one on each side. You can just see this guy in the corner here. He's vaping. This lady was pointing. And then over here, these guys are all sitting down, and this lady's pointing. She's pointing. I don't think she's pointing at anything, but she's got a point going. She's obviously trying to make some kind of statement about something to the woman she's sitting next to. And then we just have a bit of text here, bit of focus, just the copyright, my name, and a blank page, and then the back. That's the back, and it has that nice kind of velvety texture to it on the back. Yeah. So I hope you like that. That's the back. I love it. I'm glad it's come out really well. Really nice. I mean, I've put fingerprints all over this one now already. This would be the one I have to keep. But it's 20, or I say there's probably 19 now, because I'll keep one for myself. So if you want one, I'm doing free postage in the UK. Once I get my new website all sorted out, I'm halfway through doing that at the moment. So once that's all done, I'll get a page up for a little shop area for that, and you can make a purchase. Or, you know, if you're keen to have one before, on all my social media platforms. You can contact me, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to number them all. Anyway, thanks for watching. It's just a short little video about the new zine, and hope you'll be interested. You know, it's really good to get actual physical prints and, you know, see images for what they are. You know, then it's not a photograph until you've got a copy of it in your hand, you know, an actual print. And I suggest, you know, you guys are into photography, you do the same, you know, get things printed, get a zine done. Anyway, you know the score about this. I won't see you on the streets till after the lockdown, so remember, do what you're told, don't spread any virus about. We all want to get back out on the streets as soon as possible. So, till next time, see you later guys and girls.